Hello students, this is the 10th part of our 5th point of grammar chain device. In the last part we have learnt about imperative sentence, tense, interrogative sentence. Now in this part we are going to learn about the last type of sentence, and that is modal auxiliary sentence. So what is the modal auxiliary sentence? If in any sentence after the subject there is given any modal auxiliary word can, could, should, would, may, might, must. Any one of these words if given after the subject, so that sentence is called modal auxiliary sentence. So how we can transform any modal auxiliary sentence from active voice to passive voice? For that there is a specific formula. Look at here. So this is the formula. First we have to write the object, then modal auxiliary, then be, then third form of the verb, participle of the verb, then by, then accusative of subject, then rest of the sentence. In this way we can transform any modal auxiliary sentence from active voice to passive voice. Let's take an example. He can ask a question to his father. So how can we identify this sentence is the modal auxiliary sentence? If in any sentence after the subject is given any modal auxiliary word, for example, modal auxiliary word can, would, should, would, may, might, must. Any one of these word is given after the subject, so that sentence is modal auxiliary sentence. So how can we transform this kind of sentence from active voice to passive voice? Look at here. So we have to use this formula. We have to use this formula for that. So according to the formula, we have to use the first object at the starting of the passive voice. So for that, we need to identify which is the main object in the given sentence. So whenever you want to search or identify, investigate main object in the given sentence, for that we need to ask question to the main verb of that sentence, and the main verb of this sentence is ask. Then we are going to ask question with the first word, and that is what. What is asking? Then we get a question. A question is asking. Whatever answer we get, that answer is the main object of that sentence. So according to the formula, we have to write this main object at the starting of passive voice sentence, a question. Then after the main object we have to write modal auxiliary. So in active voice, after the subject, whatever modal auxiliary word is given, that word write as it is in passive voice after the new subject. Then write be. Then third form of the verb, third form of ask is asked. then by, then accusative of subject. Subject is he. His accusative form is him. Then rest of the sentence, remaining sentence. What is the remaining sentence? To his father. To his father. So in this way we can transform any sentence from active voice to passive voice, any model auxiliary sentence from active voice to passive voice. Let's take another example. She may go there today. So this is the question, this is the sentence, she may go there. So how can we identify that this sentence is the model auxiliary sentence? So after subject, if there is given any model auxiliary word, so that sentence is model auxiliary sentence. So if you transform this kind of model auxiliary sentence from active voice to passive voice, so for that we need to use this formula. So according to this formula, first we need to identify main object in the given sentence. So to identify main object in the given sentence, we have to ask question to the main verb of that sentence, and the main verb is go. So we are going to ask first question with the first word what. What is going? We cannot get answer. Then ask question with the second word who. Who is going? We cannot get again we cannot get any answer. Then ask question by other word. Where is going? We get answer there. And when is going? Today. So we get two answer there. So how can we identify which one is the correct one? So always remember, the answer which comes after the main verb first, that is the main object of that sentence. So take this object at the starting of the passive voice, and this object going to be subject in the passive voice. There. After that, according to the formula, we have to take model auxiliary. So whatever is the model auxiliary given in the active voice after the subject, take that model auxiliary as it is in the passive voice sentence after the new subject. Then according to the formula, write B. Then V3, third form of the verb, part participle of the verb. So go. What is the third form of the go or part participle of the go? It is gone. Then according to the formula, write by. Then accusative of subject. So subject is the she. What is the accusative form of she? It is her. And then the rest of the sentence, remaining sentence. So what is remaining? Today is remaining. Write that as it is in front of it. So in this way, we can transform any model auxiliary sentence from active voice to passive voice. Now this side, I am going to give you few sentences, and you have to solve those sentences as soon as possible and give reply on our group as soon as possible, as quickly as possible. Now look at here. I can help you. Next sentence. The man could win the race. Third sentence, they should study they should work in the office till the full time. time. Third sentence. The Prime Minister would give a speech at that time. And the last sentence. You can save me. So these are the 5 sentences, and you have to solve this sentence as soon as possible and give answer on our group as quickly as possible. So students, this part and as well as this part of change the voice ends here. So today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.